I'm back. I will show you how to cook. Guys, magluluto na naman tayo ng liver. Beef liver. Kaya, madali lang. Ang pinaka main ingredients, onion lang talaga. At saka konting luya para mawala yung langsa. That's the tip. Pero kung wala kayo, this is optional. Ito pang para maganda lang siya tingnan. Lagyan na yun ng carrot at saka daon ng sibuyas. So, is-slice na natin yung ating beef. Lalagyan natin ng konting soy sauce pala. Slice na natin yung ating beef. Liver beef. Na maliit. Sa Pilipinas, parang sabi nga nila parang igado. Igado ba yun? Pero may mga ano yun eh. I don't know. Meron pa silang nilalagay na kung patatas, mga ganyan, panghanda. Pero kung sa lutong bahay lang, ito. Just slice. Mapurol yung aking knife. I will choose. Ito. Oh. Purol niya. Ang tip lang sa atay, huwag masyadong maluto. No? Ano natin yung ating stove. And i-slice ko na siya. Called our beef. Ito yung onions para maganda tingnan. Slice it like round. Okay. Like that. Round. Mas masarap maraming onions. Parang ating beef stew. Liver beef stew. Yeah. Parang sides. Being slice siya. So, ipa-fry natin yung ating beef. Yan natin yung ating patay. Oil or margarine. I use margarine. Ayan. Nalito yung ating patay. Huwag masyadong luto. Kunti lang. Fry lang sa margarine ng konti or oil. Tapos, set aside natin. Masarapin natin yung ating onions. Maraming onion. Para maganda siya. water. Nilagay na natin yung ating next slice na carrot para maluto. Tapos isi-slice na rin natin. Hugasan natin isi-slice. Ito kasi pang-attract lang para maganda color. Color pero makakuha ka ng maraming vitamins also kasi while waiting na maluto yung ating carrots. So meron akong nagkaunti lang na tawag ito ginger pagpatanggal ng lansa. Kasi kaunti lang yung luto ko kaya kaunting ginger lang. Lalagay ko dito. Kaunti lang siya. Para hindi siya malasa. Naman sa akin talaga yung ginger. Kaunti lang. Matanggal yung lansa. So, ito kumukulo niya siya. Lalagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Hindi na. Ayan. So, lagyan natin ng konting paminta. Paminta. Maganda. Ganda sa kaot yan. Hanghang-hanghang. Kaya tikman natin. Masarap. Hindi siya malangsa kasi mayroon siyang ginger. Yung luya kanina. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting flour. Pitikan natin ng flour para yung sauce na yung water. Nakita nyo may water. Para siya malapot. Para sticky. Para may sauce siya ng konti. Lagyan natin ng flour. Kanaw natin ng konti. So, kinanaw na. Buhos natin. Ayan. Low fire lang. Ayan, steady na siya. Luto na siya. Mamaya ma-overcook siya. Ilalagay na natin yung ating onion. Yung onions. Ayan, ang ating beef liver stew. We'll try again the taste. Kung gusto nyo, kasi ma-add kayo sa asin, lagyan nyo ng salt, pero ako, no salt, additional. Pepper, okay. Let's eat. Yeah, looks nice. Lalagay na natin sa ating ayan na siya. So, like that. Look at that. It's nice. And we'll taste it. Bite. Hindi siya masyadong not well done so that the vitamins. Okay. Perfect. It's perfect. get some.
Yeah, I think these issues are going to be with us a long time. So anything we can do to help strengthen voter and election integrity, I'm all about it. So I think
Yeah, of
it's
course,
up
you
to
know, if the Democrat is going to win, exactly, if the Democrat is going to win the election, then it's certainly, you know, a viable election, no problems. But if the Republican wins, then it's no
Democrats are starting to whine and complain about it because they know they're going to get way out ahead in front of the curtain. I'll tell you that I downloaded this when we first connected with that. I downloaded the app on my iPhone, and it is very user friendly. There are a lot of cool things that you can do. Now, obviously, this is going to really start picking up steam for you, Johnny, when more and more people download the app.
Right.
And once they start transmitting data, sending information back.
Rice and I have always my appetizer, my pickles, my favorite, my appetizer. Mm.